Hello everybody, welcome to Bell CB. Looking at a Galaxy 94HP. We're doing a tune-up report for Michael in Islington, Canada. So Michael's starting with the power all the way down on AM. We got 10 watts dialed in on the top scale there. All the way down, it's just between 3 and 4. We'll call it 3.5. And if I change the scale to the 100 scale, like so, there's our 3. We turn the knob all the way up. We get 30 watt dead key. And then on a peak reading, 250 slug, there's 100 right there. Audio, check. Audio. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio. 1, 2, 3, 4. Audio. That's right. Bigger. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, now we're on the sideband. Audio. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio. Check. There you go. Let's take it and put it on here. Breaker 19 for radio check. How about a 19 is my radio getting out? Come on.
Yeah, it's working.
I appreciate it, driver. Thank you very much.